Are you tired of waiting for the Garmin Fenix 8 series? You're not alone. But today, I have a fantastic recommendation that might just fill that gap perfectly. This isn't your typical review video. There are plenty of those out there. Instead, let's dive right in and see what makes the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro Solar Edition a great option right now. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro series launched in May last year and marked a significant upgrade from the original Fenix 7. One of the standout features is the new LED flashlight built into the top of the case, which is super handy for those early morning or late evening runs. Another major enhancement is Garmin's latest heart rate sensor. This new sensor provides more accurate workout and recovery data, helping you train smarter and get the most out of your sessions. Specifically, I want to talk about the Fenix 7 Pro Solar Edition, currently on sale for $600. While its screen isn't as bright as the AMOLED screens we've seen in Garmin's recent releases, it's still perfectly readable in direct sunlight and on those dull, gray days. Plus, the MIP display offers solar charging capabilities. This means you get extra long battery life with regular exposure to sunlight, up to 22 days in smartwatch mode without fitness tracking, and up to 73 hours in GPS mode. The Fenix 7 Pro's touchscreen is responsive, making it easy to scroll through notifications and settings on the go. And if you've got sweaty fingers, you can always fall back on the physical buttons to navigate. This versatility is perfect for multi-day camping and hiking adventures, ultra running, or for those of us who like to wear our watches 24/7 to collect comprehensive health and fitness data. Now, here's a major update. The Fenix 7 Pro also includes skin temperature sensing and ECG functionality, which weren't available at launch. These features are game changers, providing deeper insights into your health and potentially identifying issues before they become serious. If you're already sporting a Garmin Epix 2 or a Garmin Fenix 7S, the upgrade to the 7 Pro might not be worth it. However, if you're using an older Forerunner and are looking for the ultimate adventure watch, this one is a solid choice. For those with smaller wrists, consider the Fenix 7S Pro, or perhaps look at other models entirely. And if you're still holding out for the Fenix 8, I have another video where I discuss what we might expect from it. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.